Hello everyone, Raul is in touch. I found a 100% working strategy for the profit in binary options trading. Watch it to the end and get a bonus. In this video, I will share with you a 30-second strategy for the binary options. With this strategy, I was able to earn $383 with an initial capital of only $55. My subscribers earn huge amount of the money every day. Get big profits in their deals. In my Telegram channel, I share secret strategy and signals for the making money on the trading. If you don't believe it, look at the reviews of my subscribers. I am waiting for you in my Telegram channel. Now let's move on to the main topic of our discussion. My 100% working and profitable strategy for making money on the trading. This strategy is based on two simple indicators and the use of 30-second trades. The key point is to work with a flexible schedule. The main indicators that we will use: momentum, one of my favorite indicator. It will help determine the direction of the chart. Reversal, SMA. This indicator will show the overall movement of the chart, giving us the opportunity to make more accurate forecasts. With these tools, I will show you how you can earn more than $383, starting with a capital of only $55. Before starting transaction, you need to set the necessary settings. First, we put type candles in the chart, set time frame 30 minutes. Then turn on the indicator SMA and momentum. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. We set the Euro Composite Index. The transaction time is 30 seconds. Now let's move on to the transaction. Without hesitation, we open our first deal for a raise in the amount of $55, and now I will do a little analysis of the situation. Everything is simple here. The indicators on the chart show us the angles of the resistance and the sharp transition of the chart to an increase. This is my signal for a promotion. Did anyone doubt it? Personally, I am not, so the deal is over. Everything is fine and my balance is $105. We open a deal in the amount of $105 for an increase. As we see an upward turn of the chart, there are small adjustments, but the indicators show weak flexibility of the chart. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable trading platform, I recommend paying attention to the Olymtrade. Here I found fast withdrawal, transparent transaction and good profits. I trust this platform and I am confident in its reliability. Also join my Telegram channel to receive bonus and up-to-date information for successful trading. Meanwhile, the transaction is completed successfully and our balance is already $200. We move on to the last transaction. It's time for the next and last successful trade, and our strategy continues to bring good profits. This time I notice an entry point for an increase. The chart is generally moving upward and the indicators confirm its flexibility and the beginning of the uptrend. I decided to be $200 and open a deal for a raise. The deal turned out to be success and I didn't even doubt it. Our balance has increased and now stands at $383. I am ready to share my new and profitable strategies. Please like and follow my strategies. If you still have doubts, just check out the reviews of my subscribers in the Telegram channel. It's that simple. Check your balance by yourself by click on the link in the description and join me. Let's make money trading together. I'm always ready to help and share my strategies. See you in my Telegram channel.